Hey, hello and welcome back to the part 2 of this my video tutorial. In this video I'll be showing you how to create a mirror reflection. As you already know, this my flower vase already have a reflection, so we want to create that also to my model over here. The part 1 is me showing you how I did this manipulation from this to this. So the next one I'll just be showing the mirror reflection. As you can see, all the layers I used in the previous one is still here, as you can see, but the only layer we're going to be working on right now is our model layer, which is this one we have over here. Just have to click on it, then you click on Ctrl J to duplicate it again. So just right click on it, just convert it to smart object, click on convert to smart object, then right click on it again, just click on edit content. Automatically it's going to take this picture alone for you to another layer so that you can actually work on it to whatever specification you want. So the next thing we just have to do now is just to go to image. Under image you go to rotation, then I'm going to rotate, flip camera vertical. As you can see right now, it's going to turn it upside down for us. So once you just click on Ctrl S here, automatically it's going to save on this particular place for you in the particular document you are working on. So if you have to go there right now, as you can see, it's already there. So just make sure we are picking our move to, then we drag it to below the actual picture, as you can see right now. Then Ctrl T for free transform, then we drag it down to whatever location we want it to be, as you can see. So I'm going to make adjustment to it, as you can see right now. Click on our OK, but as you can see it's not looking that realistic. So for it to make it look realistic, the next thing we need to do is just to reduce the opacity, bring down the opacity so that it seems as if it's fading in and it's fading out. As you can see right now, you can actually leave it this way. I think this is perfect. So that's how to do a mirror reflection, a very simple way to do it. So that's our tutorial, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and also turn on the notification icon. If you have any question, you can contact me and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Yeah, if you're also interested in getting any of my picture editing file, there's a link to my store down in the description below. You can actually get all my files there. See you guys on my next tutorial. One love. In case you're interested in getting any of my picture editing file, from my overlays down to my color lookup, which is my lot file, so you just have to scroll down to your video. So under the comment, this is my description. So it's not going to load the description for you. You just have to click on show more, click on it. So it's going to show all the options. Once it does that, just click on my store link. So here's my store link. Once you click on it, it's going to take you directly to my store. So you can actually select any file you want. From the color lookup, this is a light skin LUTs. This is a feather which I use in my recent video. This is 100 premium baby overlays. This is my first video course. This video course entails on how to download all the files I want. The site I use in downloading all my files free of charge, including my Photoshop panels also. This includes my PNG files. This includes all my packs, all my picture editing files, my premium overlay, my PNG, my flying fabrics, my color lookup, my presets. So once you buy this, you've already bought everything apart from this one. So here is my flying fabrics. Here is my, in case you want to give me any project for me to work on. Here's my color lookup. Here is my background overlay, and here is my preset file. So in case you're interested in buying any one, you can actually go for them. The good news there is that you can actually buy your own currency, any currency of your choice. You can buy with any currency of your choice.